What's up, everyone? Um, Doing exhaust install today. For those who didn't know, my previous setup was a Nismo Weldina exhaust. I think this is off R34 GTR, and for those who didn't know, my car was super silent, and mainly because of this. Big tip, but two mufflers, super quiet. And for this year, changing it up for an exhaust I've always wanted before, which you'll see in a bit. So this is a Tomei Extreme full titanium catback exhaust for the Nissan Silvia S15. Got this at a really good deal from a friend, Reggie, at Night Runner International. Yeah, super thin material, super light. I think the whole thing weighs about 8 pounds when it's assembled. Yeah. So Reggie decided to change route on his exhaust setup, and this came up, so had to jump on the deal. So it should sound very interesting. Hopefully today I should have the car started up. All I have to do is install my exhaust, quickly mock up the battery, and oh yeah, refill my coolant. Got the coolant topped up, still need to bleed it. But temporarily mock up my battery. I do have a tray for this. Probably gonna relocate it to the trunk. But for now, let's just see what it sounds like and check for leaks.